Thank you, ma'am.
For the introduction, would have
Dagot. Kasing kinsan po na ni may pangsandok.
That size resistance along the grain is much greater than the resistance between fibers. When subjected to bending, a piece of wood has a grace that
Pwede siya pa-profile.
long equipment has strong and silent
Napangit.
than compared to straight wood. So, perhaps that our testing machine, very black, silver, caliber, wood, sample, and every siya ay required na sa testing machine and low indicator. So, for the procedures, number 1 is prepare a wood block according to the specifications of the laboratory instructor. Then measure and record the dimensions of the specimen to the nearest 0.01 inch. And number 2, place the specimen in the testing machine. The third one, apply the law continuously until the specimen fails. Record the information for each instrument of
Sige rin kag ano, mura ko tayo asma. Kana.
Yan ako pakubuhan ko.
and information used until the maximum load has been made.
Ano report na?
Kene. Ay, ay.
A marble block or dark color
Lagay ano ko.
semi-solid
Di ka pina.
cementing shoes
Di ka balik ka.
that stands
Kailan mo balik
composed
ka?
principally of brine, particular weight,
Ay, ang YouTube
hydrocarbon,
yun.
and carbon sulfate. Bituminous mixture are generally used to denote the combination of bituminous materials as binders.
Dampak mo lagot.
Yan oo.
Aggregate and
Tulong mo ko.
Hindi sila na anak ito.
Kaya lagi mo.
engineering
Hindi na
applications,
sila.
Ganahan lagi siya.
Kani o.
Ganahan lagi siya sa hapon talaga.
asphalt and tars.
Di ko bala.
Asphalt may occur in natural
Dito bitaw ko pala. Kaya wala ko matay.
or may be obtained
Yan ang
by
mga sense,
petroleum processes is the petroleum asphalt. Then tars
Yan.
do not occur in natural and are obtained as condensates in the processes of petroleum, oil shedding, wood, or other organic materials. So, muna ang classification of bituminous materials. So, naay duha ka kuan ang bituminous materials. The asphalt of cars. Then,